it going for you in the new year? Today I am doing a pot of soup here, and I'm not doing it for myself alone, I'm doing it also for my son. And you know, this is the weather for soup, this is the time for soup. I made some whole wheat dumplings. Take a look at these babies. Whole wheat dumpling with sweet potato, carrots, yes, pieces of kale, yellow cauliflower. Yes, this is lemon rind here. Would you believe it? Lemon. And I'm doing this today all because of the weather and the feeling. And every week I do about 3 days of soup, and in it I have boiled eggs. So this is breakfast style soup here. You can have it with some whole wheat egg noodles. I use turmeric. This is the soup, turmeric, and I